This is the biggest stamp collection I've ever seen, and we're opening bin number 49. We're going top down again so we don't miss all the details of these beautiful stamps. We're starting off with a cute, looks like almost a basket, like a woven pattern. That's pretty cool. The next one's labeled Celestial, and there's only one in here, which makes me sad because I wish there were more. This is so cool. I absolutely love this. That moon and star are beautiful, and I love that little village. Very cute. Some of these are double-sided, so I will be checking them out. Next up, we have children. So there's a girl jumping rope. I can't quite make out what that one says. And on the back, this is by Prickly Pear. I love when it has the image so we can really get a good look. Oh, okay. It's like a little, I don't know, like a rag doll, I guess. Looks like she's been stitched up. We have this as well. It almost looks like a bear, though. I don't know. We've got these little kids. That one looks like she's wearing maybe an apron, and that one says Joy. Oh, that's super cute. It looks like we've got some of the winter seasons here and autumn. So we've got a child playing in the fall leaves with a little puppy, perhaps. A little girl holding a pumpkin lantern or a pumpkin candy bucket. And then we have the Christmas one here. How stinking adorable. And on the back, this one's a little bit different. This has a few sentiments on here. Happy times, choose happy, stay happy, get your S word together, everyday magic, a happy dance, and a smile. Cute. Oh, this one's really nice. This is from Spellbinders, and we have the girl with the umbrella and a few different umbrellas and puddle. There's a cute little puddle there. And it says, rain is just confetti from the sky. These say cover. I'm not quite sure what that means, but we've got some beautiful flowers. Oh my gosh. I really like this one. I've been trying to keep some of like the really whimsical, magical ones, so that one might go in my collection. And then there are some leaves on the back. There's another little girl here. And then we have a beautiful flower background. Wow, that one is stunning as well. Absolutely beautiful. And then here's another little kid. It says, oh my goodness, her little dress is adorable. I love the hearts. And this one says XOXO. Aw, focus on the good. Beautiful flower backgrounds. Here's another one. And this appears to be like another one of those like woven patterns. We've got some giant leaves here and some really pretty flowers. Wow, those are gorgeous. Those are really cute as well. I like these ones because you could stamp the sentiment in the middle. I just don't do a lot of square cards. I mean, sometimes I do. It really depends. There's some more beautiful flowers, leaves. Oh, I love the dragonflies. Oh my gosh. I think that's a little too small for a 5x7 card, which is what I usually make, but absolutely love that one. Oh, next up is mice. This is going to be really cute. There is a mouse holding an umbrella, and here is one drinking out of a cup with a bird. Looks like maybe they crashed a picnic. And there is another little mouse holding a giant leaf. Oh, this one had one on the back too. They're holding, what is that, stones maybe? Oh my gosh, and a little pea pod. How precious is that? And there's a little mouse fairy godmother with some flowers. And these are really cute too. It says, I pick you, I love you, a bushel and a peck, and wishing you a harvest of blessings. This says you are invited to a party, and there's a bunch of cats having the time of their lives. How stinking cute is that? And this one's from Dollar Tree. I've seen this one a few times through our shop. It's got the little llamas. Okay, and I think this one says critters. There seems to be a lot of cats though, so maybe that's what's behind here. Oh my gosh, look at the cat with the bow tie. That is just one of the coolest things I've ever seen. Adorable. Ooh, I like the bees. That one's really nice. Be happy on the back. Oh my gosh, we've got another cat here, like that famous painting. I can't think of what it's called right now. A cling scarf kitty. Oh, that's really cute. It says hang in there, and there's a window. Hello, you, thinking of you. You're perfect. I love a little fish bowl. That cat has a grin on him. Oh my goodness. Aw, he looks very scared or excited. I don't know. Oh, those are really cute. Thank you. Happy birthday, my friend. And oh yeah, we've seen this one or at least one like that before. These two cats, oh my gosh, I love it. They're like on top of a book page or a magazine. It looks like a magazine. Oh, who wouldn't love a background of kitties? I might need that one. I think that's about the size I need as well. Then we got some animals here, Pinky and Buttons, Bluebell and Ruby, Kindred Spirits. That's why those cats look familiar. I've seen this brand before. I can't even read what it says. Something Bunch. There's another cat. Oh, I love the sleeping animals. Oh my goodness. We have a kitty, a fox, and a puppy. I need these. I have a mighty need. And the little doggy and a wolf. Oh my gosh, so cool. Couple more in this bin. We've got a few more after this, of course. There is Just For You. So cute. Little duckies. Oh my gosh, that is stinking adorable. We got a couple of monkeys with a heart balloon, a llama. Oh, I love the rabbit. I love the rabbit. And there is, oh, hurry up, quick. That is Alice in Wonderland, it looks like. Oh my gosh, I am scared of frogs. And that is, I'm sorry, that's a scary looking one. Oh, look at the little kittens on the pole with a little tiny meowsy. Ooh, and giraffes. Okay, that was totally fine. I love seeing the animals. I wish there were more of these. Oh, and I found a little kitty hiding at the bottom of the bin. He is so adorable. There's a few more things in here. I'm not really sure what this is. It is liquidy though, and yeah, I'm gonna be careful with those, make sure they don't spill. We've also got some ink here. There's some VersaFine minis. Here's some more minis. This looks like it is prints to color. Oh, so these are those, like, I think stamped images we were finding that she was stamping and coloring in. Cute. There's a ton in here. Oh, ooh, wait. That's really cool. Oh, by the way, if you're new, I'm talking about the lady we bought this from. The series is technically called I Bought an 80-Year-Old Lady's Entire Collection of Craft Supplies, and we have been unbinning it one bin at a time. I own a secondhand art and craft supply shop called Bottom of the Bin. People can trade in leftover art supplies to get store credit, art and craft supplies, and we recently bought, like I said, an 80-Year-Old Lady's entire collection, 5 rooms full. And we've been having a blast uncovering all of these treasures. Absolutely, absolutely fun. Oh my gosh, I love all of these. This one was just kind of big and hanging out. That's one of the Elizabeth craft designs. I know a lot of people were excited about those. Looks like these are hummingbirds, I think. Bob, excuse me, what are you doing hiding with the birds? You don't belong in there. All right, we have carpe cakeum, very nice, and some berries. Aww, I really like that one. That birdie is so stinking cute. And the back says, "You are very special. Thank you very much, and I love you very much." We've got some fresh foliage. Ooh, that's nice. And some more of those larger backgrounds. Aw, that's cute. There's a little nest too with the eggs. Really pretty feathers here. We've got some beautiful birds, also by Elizabeth Stamps, Elizabeth Craft Designs. Some really pretty birdies on a branch. Aww, I don't know my birds very well. Oh, I love the birdhouse. That is so pretty. And a little owl. Oh my gosh. He's a cutie pie, and I love the little chunky bird. Ooh, I need that one. Aw, so artistic. Look at the little tiny birdies. Oh my gosh, one of the bins earlier I was saying I wish there was some more birds, so I'll definitely have to pick a couple that I think will work well with my greeting cards. Oh, that branch is really pretty with the flowers. That says holidays and best wishes. Heartfelt sympathy. Birds of a feather stick together. Oh, 2 of those. Not sure what this is. Oh, it's this. It's the Phoenix Rising. Wow. That is really fun. That would look great in like an art journal. And I love how they did it with the background there, the colorful background. Oh, this is a layering stamp. I've been wanting more layering stamps. So what is that, a swan maybe? It's kind of fun. Love the bird cages. Oh my gosh. So beautiful. She really liked hummingbirds. I've seen quite a few of those now. And there's some on the back here as well. I noticed a lot of her stamps are missing the sentiments. I wonder if she was just like keeping them all together somewhere else. What are these, quails maybe? Oh my gosh. These are really cute. When in doubt, put a bird on it. That's a good quote. Good quote to live by. And Winter Woods. Okay, cool. Next up, we have the owls. Oh my gosh, look at that wingspan. Okay, there's a layering one that I have to have. Happy Halloween. You're your owl I want for Christmas. I will be home for the holidays, and you're someone who matters. Yep, need that. It's just like a bird, I think, holding a sign. That owl's really pretty. Oh, look how fun that one is. He really has character. Rubber dub. Oh, it's a macaw. Wow. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful as well. And look at the little cutie pies. And a nice background. Oh, again, I wish it was 5 by 7. I don't know, do I just use a weird size? Okay, next we have borders with motifs. Very cool. Mini geo borders. Ooh, those waves are really nice. We've got some flowers, fencing, some trees, and some pretty borders. Up next is bows. There's only one in here, but that's also a layering stamp. That is really neat. And I think it has the die. Okay, love that. I love bows. I'm just not sure how much I'll use it. I'm gonna think about that one. Oh, that's cute. We have a beautiful rose in a vase and a tree and whatever that is. Some branches. Uh-oh. Buildings and house parts. I'm going to be in trouble with this one. Oh, a country cottage. That is so cool. I feel like I got one like that very similar recently. Nice building here. It looks like there's a tent. These are really cool as well. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love these. I'm gonna try to be good though, unless I feel like it makes a really good statement piece or is part of like a set I might use pretty often. That's nice. Amsterdam waterfront. These cute little houses. Oh my gosh. How fun is that? And then we have this whole mini set here. Stay cozy, may your days be merry, and Santa's coming to town. And that has the dies. That's really neat. Someone's gonna love that one. Ooh. I'm trying to think if I would use this one. Probably not, but I really like that one. And this one says home sweet home. I wish these were a little bigger because I like these styles a lot. This, that's what I'm looking for. That's what I'm looking for. There's two. Look how lucky. Look how lucky. I get a set and the store gets a set. Oh, we've got New York. Wow. I can't, elderberry. Memento? That's really cool. There's that one as well with the bridge and the water. Oh, that's kind of cool. I love that. Actually, I think I want that one too. I don't know. I might be able to do like a cool fairy theme with that. All right, this has a larger one sitting on top. It's got the poinsettias and berries. Oh yeah, that's the die set. So that's cool. That's a whole set. Okay, this is alpha, which is probably alphabet, but it doesn't look like they're all alphabet. Wait, oh my gosh, hold on. As someone who owns an art and craft supply store, I feel like this just has to be in my arsenal, right? Like that has to be something that I have. So, oh my gosh, that would be so fun to paint in. That's going in the keep pile. We have some more alphabets here, just a couple, not very many actually. Oh, that's a die, a kimono. Oh, wow, can you see that? That's really neat. It took me a second. This one says Anita and Jerome. I have no idea what that means. But here are Some cute little mice. Oh my gosh, that one's got a notebook and that one's holding a paintbrush. That one's painting a doggy. Aww, this must be a brand, I think. If kisses were snowflakes, I would send you a blizzard. Like mittens in winter, you warm my heart. Aww. That's really cute too. Oh my gosh, it's got all the little different animals hanging out together. My favorite place to be. We're better together. We got this. Oh my gosh, look at the snow kittens. It's the same one, isn't it? This one has the dies. No, they're different. No, I don't know. No, they're the same. They're the same. One has the dies, one doesn't. Oh my gosh, I love the deer with the bunny. That's pretty magical. My wish for you, have a snow happy day. Ooh, those are pretty. Winged beauty. Then we have some Spellbinder bird cages. There is the die. I don't know if there are matching stamps in here. Not quite sure what these are. Oh, it's a fan, right? Is that a fan? Yep, plain fans. Then we have this beautiful flower, some bamboo, Asian flower background. Oh, that's so pretty. Absolutely love that one. Next we have baby. There's only one. Baby, favorite, cute girl, lovely, very cute. Oh, and look, it was only $1.99, so that's only going to be $1 at our store. That's a great deal. This is going to be fun. These are all backgrounds, so that's cool. It's like a large circle. Wait, oh my gosh, wait. I like the clouds. I like the clouds. Although, oh gosh, it's kind of stuck in there. I think that one's seen better days. That's really pretty. Oh, okay, I need this. I love all the stars, and this is just perfect to put a sentiment in the middle. I could do a lot with this. I already have a lot of visions for what I could do with that one. That's really pretty. Oh my gosh, as is that. And that. Oh, and that. Oh my gosh, these are so cool. I got a really cool brick stencil, but I don't think I have a brick stamp, so I might need to hang on to that one. I love the brick. A chevron background, floral bamboo, and paisley. We have another Baroque. Well, I think that was the first Baroque, but another floral, delicate floral, simple flower background. Aw, a cherub, a sun face. That's really nice. Bamboo, a lace oval frame. Oh gosh, more stars. Yep, I need this one. I need this one too. Well, that'll do it for bin number 49. Make sure to follow and subscribe so you don't miss the next unbinning.